Alrighty guys, we are back with another one on the big patrol and getting it back to being registered. Oh, so in this one we're gonna get the Airbox, which, well, was here. I've now taken it out, as you may have seen in the last one. I'm gonna get that all cleaned up, painted, put a new cover on it, make it look a bit nicer and whatnot. Gonna fix up the interior, get all the panels back on and basically make it actually an interior, not just fucking shit. That'll also be, I gotta fix up a little bit of the wiring as well. And we'll see where we go from there. I was gonna do the exhaust, but turns out I don't actually have any exhaust piping left. I've just looked forever, can't find any. Was gonna then steal some from the Hilux, but the Hilux actually isn't long enough because I've dumped it out the side. So yeah, I'll figure that one out. But yeah, let's get to the Airbox. Alright, so firstly, gonna get this all sanded, all cleaned up, get it nice, give it a wash, then hit it with a bit of black paint, make it all pretty again. Yeah, I guess I'll put you on time lapse and let you watch my fun of sanding. Just cutting out the old fucking silicone that someone put everywhere. I say that, but I will be putting silicone as well to make sure it's sealed, but hopefully a little neater. So now I've got it all cleaned up and sanded, whatnot. Give it a bit of paint with the legendary squirts. Yeah, you're a bit far away because I don't want to cover the camera in paint. So yeah, goodbye. Alright. Let that sit for 10-15, give it another coat, 10-15, another coat, a little bit more. I'm going to give it some clear coat just to make it a little bit more protected. Then yeah, I'll continue with that afterwards. But for now, we're going to go work on some interior while this whole process happens off camera. Alright, so now that that's doing its whole process of drying, painting, like I said, we'll go to the interior. So this there is kind of just pulled apart, stuff everywhere at the moment. So stock dash won't be going in because he's actually got a digital dash coming for it, the same power tune one, so it can go in. So all that stuff can work. Let's go get everything cleaned up, put back together. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. I don't know if you can hear the music from the construction site going on behind me, but if so, that's copyright. But it doesn't really matter because I'm not monetised at the moment, sadly. Yeah, we'll get there. Actually, get all this back on. I mean, that's weird. I thought this was for this car. Oh, yeah, nah, it's grab handle. That's right. I think I had different ones on here one day, but now they're gone. Oh, they don't fit anymore. You need, go buy grab on. Grab on good. Fuck days off. Okay. Where are we? Down here. What's all this bullshit? I don't know how much of this you can say. Plus, probably all on time lapse, but we're making progress. All right. So, this side is essentially done. All of that's back up and tucked. So I still need to get some zip ties and zip tie this up because, yep, but that's all in. I gotta properly fix this up here. I still want it to have it sort of there so you can easily access it. And in case any water, if you need to get to it quickly or whatever, kick panels back in. But all in all, once I get that zip tied and that tucked in, this side's essentially all done. It's already looking much better. Got this half all fixed in. By the way, this is, I guess you can say, my custom center console for a GQ. So I moved this down. As you know, that's normally at the top, still fully functions. It's normally at the top, and you kind of think like a normal, like, what's it called, fucking GPS and shit in like a normal location. So I kind of modified it, made a plate, got the GME, switches for spotties and stuff there, USBs, and then if you saw the Hilux, it's got a tablet mount. I mounted a tablet before. And then, yeah, well, the custom dash, which I'll show you once I go to that side. But that is this side done. All right, so now that we're on this side, this cable is for the antenna for the GMA. But now that we're on this side, gotta tuck all this, tape all this up to make it neater. I need all that. This is actually needed as well for, I believe, fuel gauge. Oil pressure, that's right. Forgot I had that. But yeah, this is essentially my custom dash mount. So this is fuel gauge because it's just easier than loading it in Part2. Blinkers, high beams, handbrake, all that. Power tune will go in here. But yeah, let's continue cleaning this up. I got a very dodgy tripod set up in the car right now, but that's alright because you won't be able to see if it's behind me because it'll be blocking. So yeah, back to the time lapse of me doing random shit. Again, I love how I put the camera over there so that you can see. But you can't even see what I'm doing under here. Yeah, I'm basically just like taping wires, cleaning them up, and then gonna zip tie them away and make it all clean. Yeah. Fun stuff. Alrighty, so that is so much nicer. The interior, got the beautiful XR6 seats. These are nice, by the way. I rate these. But the interior, other than I'm going to give it a quick vacuum and whatnot, is looking like a good interior again. Not bad. Sweet. So now that this is all dried up, drill some bigger holes, put some rib knots. Sweet. Now punch some rib knots in. Hopefully, I'll say that. Alright, well the bloody camera died. But we got all the rib nuts in. Next step, get the perspex. Chuck her on. And trace it. Oops, probably. And cut her with a grinder. A lovely grinder cut. Marker don't work. Not marker. There you go. Get better. Sweet. Alright, sorry. Probably can't see my line at all because I hardly can. But that's alright. We're just going to cut it slightly bigger and then just sand it back to make it fit nicer. Cool. So as you can see, that now fits on nicely. So, just gotta mark the holes. Sweet. So, I'll drill them and give it a sand to make it nice and flush, and then I'll get back to you. Alrighty. So, not going to silicone it all up now because I don't have a hose clamp. But get it all together at least. Show you what it's going to look like. Take this shit off. Oh. Okay. These are just little, just washer things that I painted a while ago, because the highlights and kind of the scheme of my colours and stuff in general, is white, black and teal in a way, or kind of just like teal. Is the big one, and white. If you haven't noticed by a lot of things are white and blue, but yeah. Beautiful. And now, we have an airbox. Let's go put it in the car and see what it looks like. Alright. We are, put it down. We're back to the car, a little bit of light. And we gotta get this back on and in the right direction, which I think goes this way. Take this door, don't leak. Yeah, cool. Get that out the way. Get the airbox in. I swear it came out a little easier. Or I was just a little less cautious. There we go. Long screwdriver. Personally, I don't like the blue hoses. I like much rather the black ones, so if I had some I'd be chatting. Oh, I probably do have some. May change them to black if I have some, to be honest. But all in all, new airbag setup. Looking much cleaner. The engine bay is coming along. Alrighty guys, well that's it for this one. Just a quick couple things to just keep the project moving, not the project, to get the patrol back re-regoed for my mate. Yeah, little bits at a time, it's coming along. Sure, off camera, obviously I gotta do some wiring. Gotta get exhaust and the tray on and then we are almost there. So yeah, I shall see you in the next one. Thank you.